The workpiece is faced and drilled. A D-plate is used for the roughing cycle. The same principle applies to the internal machining. Next step, finishing. Using driven tools, a drilled hole circle with 8 holes is created on the face. The drilled hole circle is programmed in plane G17 with a virtual y-axis. The drilling cycle G81 combined with the position cycle G77 defines the drilled hole circle. The center point is specified absolutely relative to the rotation axis with IA0 and JA0. Cycle G82 is used for drilling. Repetitions on the bolt circle are carried out using G23. On the second side, the machining is identical, but the contours differ slightly. The holes on the flange were already drilled through from the first side. On the second side, only a chamfer is applied.